So my name's Eddy May, I'm from NRG Solar. I also have a business in Fiji called Island Solar Fiji. I chose Schletter for both of our businesses, mainly for the support, wind zones, corrosive. It's open to all of the elements. They're battling climate change as it is, so they need the very best system that they can have, and knowing that we've got engineering support from Schletter gives us peace of mind. Island Solar in Fiji is currently delivering a project to the Fijian Drua, their rugby team, and it's a huge project for Fiji because once the rugby team gets behind something, everybody in the country knows this is really, really important, not just for them for sustainability, but also for energy security, which is important for the rugby players while they train. Fiji as a country, they're very vocal globally about climate change because the effects are literally lapping at their door. So it's very important for them that they lead the way and that they show that they're making long-term sustainable decisions when it comes to transitioning to renewable energy. And we promote that very, very strongly by using Schletter as an example to make sure that the Schletter engineering team are behind all of the installations that we have there. And where I am in South Australia, we've got the highest penetration of rooftop solar anywhere in the world. And we're really lucky to be supported by Schletter, and one of the reasons why we moved over to Schletter is mainly for the amazing engineering support that we get, because ultimately when we deliver a solar system to a customer, we want to deliver them peace of mind. One of the most important characteristics of a mounting system that we need is flexibility, because of the different roofs that we're working on, different pitches, different wind zones, different climate, and when it's complex, we'll send that to Schletter engineers. They may modify it and then they'll sign it off and we can go install it with confidence. We have a lot of different profiles of roof, from clip lock, Colorbond, cement tile, terracotta, and you need to be able to deal with all of those different things. So Schletter, we found, has a solution so far for every single thing that we've had to install.